Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Terabox from Google Play and granting storage and camera permissions so uploads work. Next, sign in or create an account. Use a real email and complete verification to avoid lockouts. Once signed in, set a PIN or enable biometrics for faster secure access. These steps enable automatic background uploads and folder sync, so make sure permissions remain enabled in Android settings before moving on to organizing files. Now organize content. Create folders that match your workflow and use the upload button or drag files into folders. Turn on auto backup for photos and videos and set Wi-Fi only to prevent mobile data charges. When uploading many files, use batch select to queue them and watch progress in notifications. If items stall, pause and resume to retry. Once uploads finish, confirm file integrity by opening one or two files and checking sizes and timestamps so you know everything copied correctly. Finish by enabling folder sync on the items you want mirrored between phone and cloud. This keeps changes synced automatically. To share, generate a link or invite collaborators with view or edit permissions and set expiration or passwords if needed. If an upload or sync fails, try clearing the app cache. Ensure you have free Terabox space and restart the app or device. If issues persist, sign out and sign back in. That troubleshooting step resolves most common syncing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.